So hello everyone, my name is Rex Pemberton from evolvemeetings.com. Over the last couple of months, the world has changed. COVID hit us completely sideways. Like, where did that come from? And we've had to adapt. All of us in business have had to adapt. I'm a founder of an events-based company. We run keynote presentations, we run large-scale conference events, team building workshops. We also have very strategic facilitation for QBRs, like quarterly business reviews as well. And that was all originally a face-to-face business. But now it's evolved completely, no pun intended. I'm actually standing in my spare room at my house. And we have converted the spare room, because we're not going to have guests right now, into a studio setup. And it's a professional video studio. So now we can present not only our keynote presentations both live, and we can also do them pre-recorded. And a lot of clients are going down that track, because then you don't have bandwidth issues pushing HD video up and also down. You've all been in those Zoom meetings or those conferences where the video clip is jittery and you can't really make out what the facilitator or what the video is actually saying. So that reduces that side of things. And then we can facilitate our workshops. We can also strategically facilitate our quarterly business reviews and meetings, all from the comfort of our studio here at Evolve. And I wanted to give you a couple of quick tips as to if you want to set something up like this, because it's actually very straightforward. Behind me, I have a white backdrop, right? The white backdrop is just a video backdrop. It's a sheet that you put up. It takes 5 minutes to put up. I also have a green screen. The chroma key screen allows you to put yourself anywhere within a client's branding or in branding that you want to put yourself within. And then we have lighting. Lighting and audio is critical to your success. So I have two lights right beside me, right here and here. And what they do is they light the backdrop. And then right by the camera, I have two lights lighting me as the subject. And that makes the light really even. And also you can't see any shadows on the backdrop at all. I have a screen behind me so I can actually see myself presenting. If the camera goes down, you can see that. You can see the battery levels in the camera. You can see the exposure. Most importantly, you can see your audio levels as well. Audio is critical to success. So I have a lapel microphone right here. And also if that goes down, I have a backup directional Rode microphone on top of the camera. I have my computer system right next to me so I can move slides, I can share my screen. I have a switcher so I can actually put things up here and here on the side of the screen as I'm presenting. And all of these things are off-the-shelf products that you can set up within minutes. It's a very, very simple setup, and it allows us to adapt and evolve to the new normal. So I'm Rex Pemberton. If you are looking for not only a live keynote or a pre-recorded keynote or a workshop or a team building experience, or if you're looking for more strategic facilitations around culture, priorities, vision, objectives, managing this changing environment, please give us a call at Evolve.